it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something a little different. I've got something from the folks over at LonoLife. A fella named Jesse sent me a bunch of neat stuff. Thanks, man. This is their LonoLife beef bone broth noodle soup. It has 20 grams of protein in it from bone broth. That's a lot of protein. You crack it open. Oh, crud. You're supposed to shake it first. I'm gonna... Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There we go. And then you add boiling water up to the fill line, which is right... That's pretty high. Okay. About there. And start the timer. Stop spitting! Sorry about that. My children have this fascination with spitting lately, and it's utterly disgusting. Yep. Hi, Miles. You know how I feel about the spitting. He's been really into doing it during his Zoom meetings for school, which I am not at all thrilled about. So we're gonna have to start cutting off fingers. I'm gonna run out of fingers pretty quick. Anyway. But yeah, high protein stuff. I'm really curious how this is gonna be. It smells good. So, you're supposed to stir it too. We'll give it a quick schwizz real quick. Alright. I think that should work okay. So, I'm going to read a quote out of the book Momo Fugurando Speaks. This is a book of quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles. So, we're on number 61. Create change instead of adapting to the changing times. Interesting. What's going on today? Oh, October surprise. I mean, it's October 2nd. President has coronavirus. So does his wife. Yeah. So, yeah. I think they said you're not supposed to have those, what do they call them, super spreader events and things like that, but I don't know. Wherever you are in the far-flung future, I'm wondering how this all panned out, whether he did or not. I really hate to think that, and a lot of people right now are saying, hey man, maybe it's not for real and all that. It's like, God, I hate to think that it'd be anybody who is the leader of the United States that would fake having a life-threatening illness to get elected. That's like, that's beyond. I really am doubting it. I think the guy's bona fide sick, but I guess it's possible not. It's just too bad we live in a world where there's that much doubt. But anyways, enough about that. Let's talk about protein and bone broth, which sounds more interesting today. Because, you know, it's Friday. It's Fun Friday. Present with COVID-19 is not what I call fun. So I'm stirring it. 20 grams of protein, huh? I don't think this is really something you want to eat with a fork. I mean, it could, but I am not going to be able to really eat it with a fork. So I'm going to use the alternative. And what is that, you ask? Well, we have this thing called a spoon. So we're going to try using a spoon. Looks like these are egg noodles. There's some broth here. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Wow. It definitely has a meaty taste to it. I'm looking at like it's not violently salty. There's a ton of noodles. These are pretty low. I don't know where it went, but I think I threw the bowl away. But the bowl said something like it's under 300 calories. That's a lot of noodles. So you get a lot of protein and you get a good amount of carbs in it. Yeah. So what do you add to something like this? Ooh. Hot. Okay. So I don't have any beef. It's Friday. I'm sorry. I'm out of beef. Let's see. What should we add to it? I'm curious what it would taste like with Lao Gan Ma, but the beef flavor is so nice. I don't really want to screw with that so much. Okay. Okay. I got a couple little ideas. Seeing as I'm really like... The only meat that I have that's like cooked or thawed is pork, so I'm not putting pork in a beef noodle. I'll put meat in a vegetarian noodle, but I will not put... I won't go that route. No, that's just wrong. What? That's right. You're agreeing with me. That's the best thing you can ever do. Always agree with your papa. Unless he's absolutely freaking completely wrong. Which never happens, huh? I'm gonna go with some... This sounds like a nice little idea. Go with a little bit of... Well, we're in the U.S., and this is a U.S. product, so we're adding cilantro this time. And a little pepper flake. You know, I feel like I'm becoming a real one-trick pony lately, because I'm really heading towards the cilantro, the pepper flake, or the spring onion, the pepper flake. And the sesame... Yes? What do you need, buddy? Get down off of there. What are you doing? What you need? That's right, Papa. Get down. This kid, I tell you. That's my boy. That's my boy, Miles. Did you have a good time in school this week, Miles? Alright, Rotato. It's time to do your stuff. Quick one. Yeah, this is 20 grams of protein. Add a couple things to it. I think some of that London broil lunch meat I have sometimes would have gone good in it. But yeah, right? Very nice. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. We'll do the chicken one one tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.